Your vehicle is equipped with an intermittent windshield wiper system. This is the lever used to control all windshield wiper and washer functions. To operate the intermittent windshield wiper system, your ignition must be on. Push the lever down to the first stop for intermittent operation. To increase or decrease the wiper speed, push this switch up or down. Intermittent operating speeds vary according to your vehicle speed. At a higher vehicle speed, for example, the intermittent operation will be faster. To enable or disable the feature, use these controls to select Settings, Vehicle Settings, Wipers, then Speed Dependent to turn the feature on or off. Push the lever down to the second stop for continuous low-speed operation or down to the third stop for continuous high-speed operation. In conditions of mist or light rain, push the lever up to mist and you'll get a one-sweep operation of the wipers. To clean the windshield, pull the lever toward you and hold. Washer fluid will spray and the wipers will automatically sweep several times. To operate your rear windshield wiper at a preset intermittent speed, turn the knob on the end of the lever to this position. For continuous operation, turn the knob to this position. Turn the knob to the off position to turn the rear windshield wiper off. To clean the rear window, push this lever forward. Washer fluid will spray, and the wiper will automatically sweep several times and stop. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.